This is the rail system we use for growing our lettuce. You'll notice here we've got some nicely growing lettuce in here. These are bought ones in actual fact. I made the mistake of leaving the barn door open one night and our family of blackbirds got in and destroyed all our lettuce seedlings. By the time I saw them the next morning, they were all on the bench or all on the floor and they were all dead, so we had to unfortunately buy some to keep up with our supply of lettuce. However, these are the ones I put in 3 weeks ago, the last video you saw, and they're now ready to go into the system. You can see how healthy they are. Roots coming out the side and the bottom. I'll just drop that in there. Being careful not to break any of the roots off. Look at that one, with the roots on that. All the way round. Some down the bottom, into the system over the back. Try not to damage the roots. Some of them did get damaged, but they'll repair pretty quickly. Another one, roots on it. And they go into the system. That's a dud, that one didn't take. Even a small one like this has got roots coming out the side. This guy here, not bad for 3 weeks. Put him over the back. These ones here were old seeds, they were cos lettuce. I'll take that middle one out. I didn't think that they would grow, but in actual fact most of them didn't, but a couple did. You can see the prolific roots coming out through the pot. And the last of the cos lettuce, bulbs there with roots into the system. A couple of new little ones coming out there, some of that water out, we'll keep an eye on those and they'll end up in the system in about a week's time. So that's the lettuce in our system now. I'll turn the pump on, we'll give them another drink and they'll be ready to go.